everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another food tasting. I am going to unbox this new flavor from Shin Ramen. This is the Tom Yum flavor. I googled it online. Shin Ramen created this Tom Yum version in collaboration with the famous Thai chef Jin Fai. I bought two versions. One is the soup version and the other one is the stir-fry version. I bought this is a pack of 4, so there are 4 packs of the Shin Ramen inside. So let me open it and see what's inside. Pack of 4 is a proper instant noodle pack inside with all the printing and the instructions. This is the soup version. And as usual, it looks very similar to other Shin Ramen. There's one noodle inside. 3 packs of the flavor. This is the Tom Yum paste, and this is the soup base, and this is the vegetable mix. So let me see the cooking instructions. Boil 500 ml water, well, about 3 cups of water, and then add the noodles, seasoning powder and flakes. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and add Tom Yum base. Stir well and serve. Okay, today I'm going to follow exactly like the instructions. I usually, if I cook for myself, not filming the video, I like to cook the noodle first and then raise under the tap water and then boil another clean pot of water and then cook the noodle properly to get rid of the oil as much as possible. But since today I'm doing a taste testing, so I'm going to follow exactly like the cooking instructions here. So, and then let me open the stir-fry version. Same 4 packs inside. There is a complete pack of noodle inside with all the printings. You can actually sell individually on the shelf. So let me open it first. Another cake of noodles. So they do look very similar. Looks exactly same, but this one seems heavier and this is lighter. And what I can see is the color is deeper for this one. So maybe when they do the deep fry, this one deep fry for a little bit longer time. And this one, the color is lighter. I'm not sure if it was done purposely or just randomly. So I'm not sure, but you can see the color is a little bit different. This one is darker for the stir fry and this one is lighter for the soup. So inside 3 packs as well. There is a Tom Yum base, looks exactly same as the soup one. Bigger, and this is smaller. This is the soup base, and then flakes. This is the pouch flakes. It says it is the flakes. So it's vegetable mix maybe? This one says it's vegetable mix, this one says it's flakes. So, but they do look quite similar, maybe different, or I think different. I saw a chili inside. So this one is for the stir fry. Let me check how to cook this one. So this one same, boil 500 ml water, about 3 cups of water, and then add the noodles, flakes, and cook for 2 minutes. It needs to frequently stir the noodles while cooking, and then remove from heat and strain the noodles, but have to keep 30 ml water, approximately 4 tablespoons of water, and then add the seasoning powder and Tom Yum base, mix well and serve. Okay, that's all for, looks pretty simple. I will do the soup one first and then the stir fry. So let me go and cook it. Add the noodles in. Seasoning. Hopefully it won't be too spicy for me. And the flakes. I'm going to do 5 minutes because I like softer noodles. Let me try the soup first before putting the Tom Yum paste in. I'm so worried that it will be too hot for me. Yeah. Wow, so hot. Really, I mean, because it's for taste testing, so I put the whole pack in. Otherwise, I should not put the whole pack in. That's soup base. But since this is It's a taste test, so I put the whole complete pack in, but it's really super hot for me. So you can see from the flip pouch, there's a mushroom, looks like this is a seaweed, yeah, and then a carrot, a little bit carrot, yeah. And when I just put the soup base in, it smells like the traditional Shin Ramen, but I haven't had Shin Ramen for quite a while, so yeah, it was very similar, but maybe a little bit more tasty than the traditional Shin Ramen. Okay, now I put the Tom Yum base in. It's a very normal bowl of Shin Ramen before I put the Tom Yum base in. So now I put the Tom Yum paste in and then mix it. Okay. I can smell the lemongrass. Yep, the Tom Yum flavor comes out. Lemongrass, sweet and sour, very chili, very spicy. The soup is really spicy. And let me see the noodle. Noodles should be very spicy as well. Okay, the noodle, the texture, it tastes like normal Shin Ramen. I mean, the structure didn't really change. The structure really didn't change. So as I said just now, before I put the Tom Yum base in, it tasted very normal, like normal Korean spicy ramen. Maybe the taste a little bit stronger than usual. So it was quite tasteful before putting the Tom Yum paste in. So after I put the Tom Yum paste in, can instantly smell the lemongrass and that special Tom Yum smell. So the soup turns immediately to the Tom Yum soup, that sour, sweet, and lemongrass flavor or herbs flavor. Yeah. So yeah, but it is really spicy. If you don't like very spicy food, I think you have to put like half of the soup base in first to test the spice level. Otherwise it is definitely too spicy for me. I feel so hot now. And the noodle texture itself is just like normal Shin Ramen noodle texture. And 5 minutes is good for me. If you like a little bit harder noodles, you can do 4 minutes, but 5 minutes is really perfect for me. Okay, now I'm going to do the stir fry. I think I will still put the whole pack in instead of reducing the amount. Wow, I feel so hot now. It's really spicy. It makes me so hot. I'm going to put the whole pack in, not going to reduce any quantity because this is a taste test. Okay, let me put the noodles in, and this one just put the flakes in first. Oh, well, interesting. This one you see, very creative. There is a sheen. You see that? This must be the. I thought it's a chili flake. It's not. I think it's the fish cake maybe. There's a sheen there. Very creative. See, there's a sheen there. And then apart from that is the what's that? A mushroom and I think veggie. Veggie and a little bit seaweed. I need to frequently stir the noodle while cooking. So I'm going to stir like that until the 2 minutes is up. Okay, now actually it's 3 minutes because after 2 minutes I don't feel like it was cooked as per my preference, the texture. So I added 1 more minute. Now I'm going to drain the water and leave about 30 ml water in. Transfer to the bowl. I'm going to add the seasoning powder in. And the Tom Yum paste. Hey. Okay, display nicely. This is the gimmick. It's really a good idea, you know. It's like they put the shin there. Even after cooking, the shin didn't blur. So that's very good, the technology. But let me eat the shin first. It's like fish cake. It's like fish cake. So try the noodle. So the noodle is like reddish color, but not as dark as the color on the package. And then it smells, I can smell the tom yum flavor, but not as strong as that soup one. It tastes, I can taste the tom yum flavor. If you cover my eyes, you let me try this one, I can tell it is the tom yum flavor. Not as spicy as the soup one though, and it is a lot sweeter. It is quite sweet to my standard. Noodle texture a little bit different from the soup one. Maybe this is the stir fry, not in a soup. I'm not sure. But this one is I only cooked it 3 minutes, and that one is 5 minutes, and now it's quite soft to my preference. So I think the color actually, the difference of the color of these two cakes of the noodle, it means something like the stir fry should deep fry for a longer time, because that's why the cooking time reduced. So therefore the color for the stir fry is darker than the soup one. So it is not randomly happened. It happened for the purpose. Because let me have another taste of the shin. Can't really get any flavors. Yeah, veggie is same as the soup one. Another bite of noodle. Okay, so yeah, overall, not like a super surprise for these two noodles. You can tell it is tom yum flavor with your eyes closed. But the flavor itself is not like, wow, it's so different. You know, it was created by a famous chef, something like that. Compared to the soup and the stir fry, I personally like the soup more. At least the soup, the noodle tastes better. It was a strong tom yum flavor, and the soup base was quite tasty. But for the stir fry one, it is really sweet and not like, it is very sweet and not very tasteful, to be honest. And just sweet and tom yum flavor, that's it. But I want to say this is very personal feeling, opinion. It might be very different from your conclusion. So okay, that's all for this video. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!